Dental bridges are an extremely popular procedure for restorative purposes that replaces the missing tooth or teeth of one or more. They do not just restore functionality to the mouth, allowing the proper chewing and speaking, however, they also enhance the appearance of your smile. In this short video, we'll look at how dental bridges can fill in the gaps caused by missing teeth to restore function as well as aesthetics to your mouth. What are dental bridges? The dental bridge is a prosthetic device which can be used to substitute teeth that are missing. They typically consist from two crowns or even more which attach to teeth that are on the opposite side of the gap called abutment teeth and a false tooth known as a pontic between. The pontic is made to fit the dimensions, the shape and shade of the tooth that is missing, giving a natural and smooth outcome. Types of dental bridges. There are a variety of bridges for dental use, such as traditional bridges, cantilever bridges, as well as Maryland bridges. Traditional bridges are made up of crowns placed on both sides of the gap, with an intermediate pontic, and cantilever bridges are utilized when there's just one tooth that is abutting on the other end of the gap. Maryland bridges, also referred to as resin-bonded bridges, utilize the wings of porcelain or metal that are bonded to the rear of teeth that support the abutment to provide stability. The dental bridge procedure. The procedure of obtaining the dental bridge usually requires a number of stages. The abutment teeth are cleaned by taking off some enamel in order to create space for crowns. The impressions are taken from the teeth that have been prepared and also the space to make an impression of the bridge. The bridge is made to order by a dental lab based upon these impressions. When the bridge is finished to be bonded to the jaw, which restores functionality and appearance to the dental. Benefits of dental bridges. There are many benefits of having dental bridges. One of the primary benefits is the improved functionality, since bridges enable the proper chewing and speaking process through filling the gaps caused due to missing teeth. Bridges also keep the teeth that remain from moving out of alignment and causing jaw problems or bite issues. Bridges also improve the appearance of your teeth by filling gaps and creating an attractive, natural appearance. Maintenance and longevity. Maintenance and proper care are vital to the long-term health of bridges made from dental material. It is essential to clean and floss frequently to avoid the accumulation of bacteria and plaque on the bridge. Regular dental examinations are crucial to make sure that the bridge is in good shape and also to resolve any problems which may occur. If properly maintained, dental bridges will be used for a long time and offer a long-lasting and efficient solution to missing teeth. Conclusion. Dental bridges can be a flexible and efficient treatment choice to replace missing teeth, as well as improving the appearance and function of the mouth. Through bridging the gaps left due to missing teeth, bridges can help improve the ability to chew and speak and improve the appearance and natural look of your smile. If properly maintained and cared for, bridges made of dental material can offer an extremely long-lasting, durable solution to missing teeth. If you're missing teeth and want to restore your smile, think about the advantages of bridges for dental use and speak with your dentist about whether bridges are the best option for you.